Problem 3. P1 and P1 not and PP1 transformation from the course learning vectorization representation of the words. The main objective of the problem is to transfer the space co-occurrence matrix generated in the problem 2 into a different statistical representations using P1 PM1 and P1M0 and PPM1 and smoothened PP11 in our project, and we use the co-occurrence matrix with the workload size of 16,223 words and the content size of the window 5. Let us understand the point-wise a manual information measures how a strong a target word and the context word are associated with each other comprises with how often we could expect them to occur by chance. The P1 value is calculated using the probability of the word and context occurrence together divided by the product of the individual probability. The higher positive P1 PM1 value means the two word occurrence together more frequently than expected. A zero close a value close to zero means that the occurrence is close to that we could expect by chance. A negative P1 M1 value means that the two word occurs together a less frequency than expected. The next concept is P1 M1 0 or P1 M in pairs a co-occurrence matrix. Many words pairs never occurs together. For these zero count pairs, calculating the algorithm would result in a negative infinity. Therefore, in a pair representation, unobserved word pair are associated of the zero of word. This allows us to efficiently store and process the matrix. The third transformation is a positive. The negative one value is replaced with 0, and this is useful because the negative p1 value can be unreliable when working with paired text data. Therefore, pp1m focus only on the word pair that shows the negative occurrences. We test the transformation using words such as an Apple computer for the word apple. The raw count method gives a frequent context such as an Apple computer. However, after applying PM1, the ranking challenges because the P1 considers the strength of associated rather than just the frequency of occurrence. The complete P11 smoothen transformation takes approximately 2.1 seconds according to the project results. To conclude, PM1 measures the strength of association between the words, while P1M1 handles an unobserved word pairs keeps only the positive association. Therefore, this transformation converts the basic co-occurrence comes from the problem 2 into more meaningful representation of the word association and cinematic representation, which can be useful with the further word representation and embedded tasks.